Breastfeeding is a beautiful and natural experience, but for many new mothers, it doesn't always come easily. If you're facing challenges while breastfeeding, you're not alone. In this video, we'll talk about common breastfeeding problems and simple, effective ways to fix them, so you can feel more confident and comfortable on your breastfeeding journey. One of the most common problems is sore or cracked nipples. This usually happens when the baby is not latching properly. To fix this, make sure your baby's mouth covers not just the nipple but a good portion of the areola. Applying a few drops of breast milk or using a lanolin-based nipple cream after feeding can help heal soreness faster. Another frequent issue is poor latch. A shallow latch can cause pain and reduce milk transfer. To improve the latch, bring your baby to the breast, not the breast to the baby. Ensure your baby's mouth is wide open before latching, and their chin touches your breast first. Don't hesitate to gently break the latch and try again if it feels uncomfortable. Many mothers worry about low milk supply. In most cases, milk supply is sufficient, but stress or infrequent feeding can reduce it. The best solution is to breastfeed more often, ideally every 2 to 3 hours. Staying hydrated, eating a balanced diet, and getting enough rest also play an important role in maintaining milk supply. Engorgement, or overly full breasts, can make feeding painful and difficult for your baby. To relieve engorgement, feed your baby frequently, use warm compresses before feeding, and gently massage your breasts. Expressing a small amount of milk can also make it easier for your baby to latch. Another common problem is blocked milk ducts, which feel like tender lumps in the breast. This can be fixed by continuing to breastfeed from the affected side, applying warm compresses, and massaging the area toward the nipple. Wearing loose-fitting bras can also help prevent blockages. Some babies experience gas or fussiness during feeding, often caused by swallowing air. Make sure your baby is positioned correctly and burp them after each feeding session. A calm feeding environment can also make a big difference. Lastly, mastitis, a breast infection, can cause pain, redness, and fever. If you notice these symptoms, continue breastfeeding, rest as much as possible, and consult a healthcare provider if symptoms don't improve. Remember, breastfeeding is a learning process for both mom and baby. With patience, practice, and the right support, most breastfeeding problems can be overcome. Trust your body, take care of yourself, and never hesitate to seek professional help when needed.